is separable differential equation, which means an equation in the form of f of y, in which dy equals to g of x dx. And here are the steps we are going to ponder and follow. But first, all you have to do is to remember the first letters in each steps, which are the S, I, S, and S. First step, S, separate the variables. Second step, I, integrate both sides. Third, substitute the given values of x and y to solve for c. And last, substitute the value of c to step 2. Did you get me, Arce?
So to continue, here is one example of the separable differential equation. Find the particular solution of dy over dx equals 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 when f of 0 equals to 4. So we are going to step 1, separate the variables. And this gives us 4x dy over dx equals to 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus 1 over 1. Do you have any question?
Why did you put number 1 as the denominator in the equation?
So, I put 1 as a denominator in the equation because we are going to do cross multiplication. We are going to do the cross multiplication because we are going to transfer dx into the side. And we will do the step 2. And that is to integrate both sides. In integrating both sides, we are going to put the integral sign. And that will give us integral of dy equals to integral of 4x cubed of quantity 4x cubed minus 3x squared plus 4x plus x quantity dx. And y equals to 4x raised to 4 over 4 minus 3x cubed over 3 plus 4x squared over 2 plus x plus c. And we went into this equation because the formula of the integral is u raised to n plus 1 over n plus 1. And because since 3 is the power of 4x cubed, we are going to add 1, copy here, and put 3 plus 1, and that will give us 4 as the denominator. And that will result to this. And that will give us y equals to x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus c. Because it is 4x cubed over 4x raised to 4 rather, is divisible by 4. That's why it will give us x raised to 4. Do you have any question?
Teacher, what is the purpose of c?
Oh, the c is the constant in the equation, and that is what are we going to look for or find the value. And y equals to x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus c is the general solution in the equation. And the problem, I mean. So number 3 step is substitute the given values of x and y to solve for c. So since this equation here is when f of 0 equals to 4. So this will be understood that f of x equals to 4. So x is equals to 0 and 4 is y. That's why we are going to substitute this general solution to 4 equals to 0 raised to 4 minus 0 cubed plus 2 times 0 squared plus 0. And that will give us the answer of 4. And the c equals to 4 is the initial condition. Are you still with me?
Yes.
Okay. Proceed to step 4. Substitute the value of c to step 2. So, to end this, we are going to just going to copy this equation, and that we are going to copy the 4 and put it to c. Because since c is what is the value that we are looking for. So that will give us y equals to x raised to 4 minus x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 4. And finally, we have the particular solution in the given problem. And c equals to 4. That's all for today, and thank you for listening.